So I got a dog. Today is May 4th, and we've learned that we will be getting one of the puppies from the new Welsh litter. There are 2 boys and 1 girl, and we're getting one of the males. Our current plan is to go down to Ohio the first couple weeks of June, one of those Saturdays, I believe. And we already have a name picked up, Mushu, so stick around and I'll show you how it went. Hey guys, it is March 25th, and we are almost done moving into my new room, which is technically my older, but whatever, that doesn't matter. We're going down officially on the 13th, so here we go. It is currently, hold on, I'm gonna redo that. Okay. It is June 9th, and we're going down on Friday, and I'm like super excited. I should stop eating blueberries and keep going. Ooh, it's really good. Where did it go? Wait, what? A lot has definitely happened, but I'm super excited. But we got all the stuff that we needed. Oh, we got like, hold on. It's a duck, and it squeaks. I'm like super excited. So. Guys, it is 5:35. We are very behind schedule, but it's okay. Hey guys, it is 6:36. We got to the hotel like just now, and we're gonna grab some Chinese food and a phone charger because I forgot a phone charger, which is not very good because we've been driving for like a day. So so pretty. Okay. Guys, it is Saturday and it is almost 8 o'clock. We're calling Anne, the breeder, to let her know that we're going to be on our way for about half an hour, I believe. So. Kind of hit me like I've been waiting for this for like a long time, and now that I'm like actually getting a dog, it's like, oh crud, I'm actually getting a dog. So it is 9:24 and we have officially picked up Mushu, and my heart is Aww. Well, we have a dog now. Mushu, are you happy? You seem very happy. Sweet.
And anyone else who will listen to fight for mail-in voting.
Come! It's gonna come. Okay. Mushu, come! Good boy! Good boy!
Come, Mushu. Good job.
Hi, Mushu. How are you? You're gonna go on your table again? Aww. No. Hi, Mushu. Mushu, no! Hey guys, it is June 20th and it is a week since we have gotten Mushu. He's acclimating really well. He likes my shoes. He likes to bite my shoes a lot, but there's gonna probably be a lot more content with him coming out later, so keep your eyes peeled.